Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make two LEGO versions of Governor Pryce. This one, and also this one. Let's get into this. For the officer appearance, the first piece that you're going to want are these Batman legs. The torso can come from any Imperial officer. The upcoming Tyler Durith might be a good one, but I'm using this one because it's what I have. The head that I'm using comes from Clara. It's probably not the best one that you can find, but I think it works good enough. Finally, the hair comes from this Lego City minifigure, which kind of sparked the idea for me to make this video. For her armoured appearance, you're going to need some of the parts that we were talking about prior, but you will also want this officer minifigure. And you are also going to want the new Hoth ATST driver. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look something like this, or maybe it looks like this, depending on which minifigure you wanted to make. Feel free to pause on either of those images if you need a reference photo for when you're building yours. The officer minifigure is a slightly modified version of JB Brick's custom, but I think the legs just add that extra level of detail. The armoured appearance, however, is completely my own, and I'm very happy with the way that it turned out. If you have any ideas for any minifigures that you'd like to see me make in the future, feel free to leave a comment down below, or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, if you're not subscribed and you'd like to see more custom tutorials, feel free to do that now. If you would like to watch any more of my videos, feel free to click on the links which should be on the end screen now. For example, my other Imperial officer that I made might be a good one to look at.